When it comes to uninstalling an app, the first place you want to go to is the app marketplace. After this, you can go to installed apps at the very top up here, and you can find all of the different apps that you've then installed into your account. What you're then able to do is to click into this application, and you can then go ahead and either then click the uninstall button here. If you find this little warning message, do not worry about this. You can get in contact with your agency and they're going to be able to uninstall this for you. Now, on other types of applications, you are going to be able to jump in and you're going to be able to uninstall very simply by following through and clicking the red button, just like so. Afterwards, you will get this message that the app has been uninstalled, and you'll get this button to then come back where you can then again reinstall it into your account. Okay?